Hello, everyone. Today, I'll teach you how to use a tool plugin in Unity to create a game character trail effect like this one. It's really very simple and very practical. First, purchase and download this tool plugin from the Unity Asset Store. I've put the link in the description of this video. Then, import this plugin into your own Unity project. I've already prepared a simple game scene here with just one game character that can switch between different animations in the game scene. Now, here comes the main part. Add the skin mesh trail control script to the game character in the scene. Select the corresponding skin mesh render for this game character for the script, and choose a transparent material for the script. The texture of this transparent material needs to be the texture of the game character. Adjust the parameters for the trail appearance, frequency and duration. Click Run, and you can see the trailing effect we want. Isn't it cool? Isn't it simple? You can also adjust the parameters of the trail here, including the interval time of the trail appearance and the time for the trail to gradually disappear. This plugin calls Unity's underlying rendering interface, so it runs very efficiently and can be used on mobile devices as well. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or send me a private message. Lastly, I hope everyone can like, comment, and subscribe. Creating content is not easy, and creating content without rewards is even harder. Your likes and follows are my endless motivation to create the next video tutorial. Thank you for watching.